This video is about the SENTIO on-screen tools located on the right side of the screen. The first option here is the camera selection. Here you can select from the different cameras that are equipped with the system. For instance, IMAX wide and IMAX narrow, off-axis, chuck camera and the VCE. Second tab here is the light adjustment. You can select the different light values between 0 and 100. Third one is the navigation modes. You have very nice navigation modes here. Point and shoot is available. For point and shoot, you can even adjust the spot marker on the screen to find a different target. We have flick and pen function available to navigate across the screen. We have a zoom function which allows you to use the on-screen multi-touch capability to zoom in and zoom out the video image, for instance. Or we have a magnification glass to highlight interesting areas in the live image. The next one is our measurement tool. We have different measurement tools available, either only the x-axis or y-axis, or a combination of both the x and the y-axis. This with x and y together, we can see the distance plus the x-y coordinates. The picture-in-picture menu enables the user to select from different overlays, either turning the overlay of the screen completely off, or select the large, the small, or the multi-view, triple view, which basically enables a second camera. Here I can now enable the wide camera and this narrow camera at the same time, plus the Wafer map screen. The next menu is the Z scope menu. For the scope menu, we have different options. We can operate the go to focus function, which brings the scope into the focus position at any chuck Z position, or we can use the auto focus function, which measures the exact focus position of the wafer. The third button here is to set the contact location exactly at the focus plane. This allows me to, for instance, set contact with very vertical type of probe cards where I cannot barely see the scratch on the pad. The next one is a button to enable the follow mode. Follow mode is very nice when you have a motorized scope Z axis, because it simply ensures that the wafer focus is always maintained and never lost. Last but not least, we have our quick alignment tool here, which gives me the option to easily align the wafer with just a few clicks to the screen. Just drag a line here with your two fingers to a straight line or something like that, and the chuck would automatically start the theta alignment. And now you're ready to start an alignment navigation on the wafer.